How are you now? Based on in their house. Is it a market for me to come to somebody's house and drop nothing? Joshua, how is the sauce? Nene, how is the sauce? Baby Shark, how is the sauce? You, how is the sauce? You wanna cry.
That 5 for you, I do that 3 more times again. I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch. I do it all, and I'm around. You scared to do it. I'm not. As long as you joking, now in for me. I ain't got it. I been skimming, doing. I ain't your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. For the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just so important. Nobody like you do. I
Come now. Come and stand this. Come and stand
here. I can just lose and miss the moment. You just so important. Nobody like you do.
How are you now?
In the club, I ride with you, I feel like Scarface. The white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex from you, I'm not violent, I'm your day one. We had shit, yeah.
It was magic, yeah.
Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. Are they grown when you're not here? I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. Can I lose and miss the moment? You just too boy. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.
Not me trying to film, but Nepa says not today, so I'm just going to rest. I was trying to film actually for TikTok though. I don't know, give me inspired me. I did this. Hey, Opti Pro. Which one be Opti Pro? New recipe. No, go back to where we go punch out. I don't understand this. This one heavy pass. This one heavy pass. A full pass. But I don't use this one. No. I jack them again, they go. This one heavy pass. I've been hesitating.
That ain't my girl, that's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Hey, catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak.
The 0 to 12 is how much? It's like this one I will start using very soon. Once she clocks 6 months, I'm switching to this 0 to 12. It's very good. Even my boy that used to be cheap, you see, it's not cheap again though. After meal is 10,000. It's not even so far from non pro. Now me you can really want sha. Christmas is around the corner, and so hampers are in season. Now here they stop. Eh? Eh, well. This man legit stopped me at Chicken Republic, and I have to walk all the way. So annoying. So you want me to come the use POS for this place? It's 100 naira charge. Okay, no that's hey, put them.
Okay.
That will not go survive. No, ma. So you don't change plans with Sitina? So stand there pretty. Zima taste. So which one is this? It has apple. It's apple.
You dey sabi for cup.
You guys, I legit feel like how my time have started because obviously my lips is becoming dry. I don't know, for some reason I've been licking and licking my lips throughout today becoming dry. Everywhere is becoming dry. There's been no rainfall again. Obviously, we're in November, and this is it's the end of November. So I feel like I actually believe that Hamatan is already out. I'm so excited for Christmas. Everyone's always excited for Christmas. I don't know about you, but me, I'm always excited for Christmas. So baby is there. She's actually she's crying. She's becoming cranky. I put her in a rocker to watch TV. I don't know why she's becoming cranky. I don't know if you guys can see her. She's becoming cranky. Chilled. So cool. I feel like eating granite.